Hi everyone. Welcome back to Lady Show English. I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're learning English and want to speed up your progress, you're in the right place. Learning a new language can feel overwhelming sometimes, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to share 3 simple tricks that you can start using right away to learn English faster and more effectively. These are practical, easy-to-do methods that I've seen work wonders for so many learners, and I know they'll work for you too. Before we dive in, grab a notebook or open a note-taking app because you'll want to jot down some ideas. Also, stick around until the end because I'll share a bonus tip to supercharge your learning. Ready? Let's jump into our first trick. The first trick is called the shadowing technique. This is one of my favorite ways to boost pronunciation, fluency, and listening skills all at once. Here's how it works, step by step. 1. Find a short English audio or video clip. This could be a 1 to 2 minute segment from a podcast, a YouTube video, a TV show, or even a movie scene. Choose something you enjoy, maybe a clip from Friends if you like sitcoms, or a short TED Talk if you're into inspiring ideas. For beginners, try kids shows or slow-paced content like Peppa Pig. Don't laugh, it's super helpful. 2. Listen carefully one time through. Pay attention to the speaker's tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. Don't stress about understanding every word yet, just get a feel for the flow. 3. Repeat immediately after the speaker. Play the clip again, and this time, try to mimic the speaker as closely as possible, almost like you're their shadow. Say the words right after they do, copying their speed, intonation, and even their emotions. For example, if they sound excited, you sound excited too. 4. Practice daily for 5 to 10 minutes. Start with short clips and work your way up. Over time, you'll notice your mouth getting used to English sounds, and your confidence will soar. Why does this work? Shadowing trains your brain to process English in real time, just like native speakers do. It's like learning to dance by following a partner's steps, you get the rhythm of the language. Pro tip, record yourself shadowing and compare it to the original. You'll hear where you're doing great and where you can improve. For example, I know someone who shadowed a BBC News clip every day for a month, and their accent became so much clearer. Try this with a favorite English song or movie line today. Which one will you pick? Let me know in the comments. Now that you've got the shadowing technique down, let's move on to a trick that fits perfectly into your busy day. The second trick is to use English in your micro moments throughout the day. You don't need hours of study time to make progress, small, consistent moments add up fast. Here's what I mean. Life is full of tiny pockets of time, waiting for the bus, cooking dinner, or scrolling on your phone. Use those moments to practice English. Here are some ideas to get you started. Switch your devices to English. Change your phone, computer, or social media apps to English. Every time you check your notifications or set an alarm, you're reading English words like snooze or dismiss. It's like a mini language lesson every time you use your phone. Write everyday lists in English. Your grocery list, to-do list, or even a quick note to yourself, write it in English. For example, instead of writing buy milk, try I need to buy milk and some fresh apples. It's simple, but it forces you to think in English. Narrate your day in your head. Describe what's happening around you, even silently. For example, while walking, think, the street is busy today. A red car just passed by. Or while cooking, I'm chopping vegetables for dinner. This builds your ability to think in English naturally. Talk to yourself in English. Don't be shy. When you're alone, practice saying simple sentences out loud. For example, I'm going to make coffee now, or what a sunny day. It feels silly at first, but it's a game changer for fluency. Here's why this works. Micro moments make English a part of your daily life, not just something you study. Research shows that short, frequent practice sessions are often more effective than long, infrequent ones. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can lead to big improvements over time. Challenge: for the next 24 hours, try one micro-moment activity. Maybe switch your phone to English or narrate your morning routine. Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how it goes. So, we've covered shadowing and micro-moments, two powerful ways to. The third trick is to learn phrases, not just words. This is a huge shortcut to sounding natural in English conversations. Here's how it works. Instead of memorizing single words like big or problem, learn them as part of useful phrases or chunks of language. For example, instead of challenge, learn face a challenge or overcome a challenge. Instead of improve, learn improve your skills or improve step by step. Instead of time, learn have a great time or save time. Why is this better? Native speakers don't think in single words, they use phrases automatically. When you learn phrases, you're learning how words fit together naturally, which makes it easier to speak fluently and avoid mistakes. How to do it? Find phrases in context. Watch English shows or read simple articles and note down common phrases. For example, in a cooking video, you might hear, stir the mixture or add a pinch of salt. Write those down. Use flashcards or apps. Create flashcards with phrases on one side and their meanings or examples on the other. Apps like Anki or Quizlet are great for this. Practice in sentences. Don't just memorize, use the phrases. For example, if you learned face a challenge, say, I faced a challenge at work today. I know someone who started learning phrases like make a difference and keep in touch. Within weeks, their conversations sounded so much more natural. Start with 2 to 3 phrases a week, and you'll be amazed at your progress. Quick task: pick one phrase today, like take a break or make a plan. Use it in a sentence and share it in the comments. Now that you've got all 3 tricks, let's tie everything together with a quick recap and a special bonus tip. So, there you have it, 3 simple tricks to learn English faster. 1. The shadowing technique to improve pronunciation and fluency. 2. Using English in micro-moments to make it part of your daily life. 3. Learning phrases, not just words to sound natural and confident. As a bonus tip, here's something extra to tie it all together: set a small, specific goal each week. For example, this week, I'll shadow one video clip every day, or I'll learn 5 new phrases by Friday. Small goals keep you motivated and make progress feel achievable. I want to hear from you. Which of these tricks are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. Maybe share a phrase you learned or a micro-moment idea you're excited about. Your comment might inspire someone else in our Lady Show English community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. I've got more tips coming your way to make your English learning journey fun and effective. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video here on Lady Show English. Keep practicing, and you've got this.